Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Canva AI login issues, workspace and subscription errors step by step clearly. If you are experiencing login issues with Canva AI, follow these steps to troubleshoot the problem. First, ensure you are using the correct email address and password. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link to reset it. Check your internet connection to confirm you have a stable and active connection. Try clearing your browser's cache and cookies, as this can help resolve many log. If you are using a VPN, disable it temporarily and attempt to log in again. Make sure your browser is up to date, as outdated versions can cause compatibility issues. If you are using the Canva app, check if it needs an update in your device's app store. Log in using a different browser or device to see if the issue persists. If you are a team member, verify that your access to the workspace has not been revoked by the admin. If you are facing subscription errors, check if your payment method is still valid and up to date. Review your subscription status under your account settings to see if it is active. If your subscription has expired, consider renewing it to restore full access to features. For shared workspaces, confirm with the workspace owner that your invitation is still valid. Contact Canva support through their help center if none of these steps resolve the issue. Provide them with specific details of the problem for a quicker resolution. After trying these steps, you should be able to resolve your login issues with Canva AI. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.